Want to change your name in Microsoft Teams? Whether you've updated your name, want to use a nickname, or simply need to correct a spelling mistake, the process is pretty simple. In this guide, I'll show you how to change your team's name on PC, what happens with work or school accounts, and how to change your name during a meeting when that option is available. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams and sign in. At the top of the Teams window, select your profile picture. Your profile card will appear, showing your current name and account information. If your account allows profile editing, select your current name or the edit option next to it. Enter your new first and last name, then save the change. In Microsoft Teams Free, changing your account name also updates the name on your Microsoft account. After saving, return to your Teams profile and check the name. You may also want to close and reopen Teams if the old name is still displayed somewhere. Changes can take a little time to appear everywhere. If you're using Teams with a work or school account, you may not be able to edit your name yourself. Your organization can manage display names through Microsoft 365. If the edit option is missing, contact your IT administrator and ask them to update your display name. There's also a meeting-specific option in supported Teams environments. If the meeting organizer has enabled the setting that lets participants edit their display names, open people during the meeting, find your name, select more options, then choose Edit Display Name. Enter the name you want others to see and save it. Keep in mind, a meeting-only name change is temporary. It changes how your name appears during that meeting, but it doesn't permanently change your account profile. The original account name can still appear in places such as calendar invitations or other Microsoft 365 information. On mobile, open Teams and tap your profile picture. Go to your profile settings, then select the option to edit your account name. Enter your new name and save it. The exact menu layout may vary slightly between Android and iPhone. If your old name continues to appear, first make sure the change was saved correctly, then restart Teams and sign in again. For organization-managed accounts, the change may need to be made by an administrator, so don't worry if you can't find an edit button. And that's how to change your name in Microsoft Teams. Edit your profile when the option is available, contact your administrator for managed accounts, or use the meeting-specific name option when your organization allows it. So update your name, save the change, and you're ready to go.